Hi friends, welcome to CrackU's video series. Hope you all have done well in your IIFT exam. Today in this session we are going to discuss logical reasoning questions for CMAT and TISNET. Let's see the first question. In the following question, plus means minus, minus means into is multiplication, multiplication means division, division means addition. And then find the value of 16 plus 4 minus 3 divided by 22 into 11. So here plus is minus, so 16 minus 4 and minus is into 3, division is plus and 22 into is division. According to BODMAS, first we have to do division. First BODMAS is B is brackets, O is off, D is division, M is multiplication, A is addition, S is subtraction. So first there is no brackets and there is no off. First we need to do division. 22 divided by 11 is 2 and next we have to do multiplication. Minus 4 into 3 is minus 12 and here 16 as usual. Next 16 minus 12 plus 2. So first we have to do addition, next subtraction. So 16 plus 2 is 18, minus 12 is equals to 6. Therefore answer is option A. Which letter is fifth to the right of seventh letter from the left end? This is the letter given in the question. Left end is this one and right end is this one. Fifth to the right of seventh letter from left end. From left end, fifth to the right of seventh letter will be fifth plus seventh place, that is 12th place. So counting 12th letter from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. R is the 12th letter. Therefore answer is option A. Next question. Identify the odd man out. From the given options, potato, carrot and ginger are grown under soil, under land. They are called root vegetables. But brinjal is the plant which is grown on the land. Therefore the answer is option D. Next question. Choose the right answer based on the relationship given in the question. Milk white, book pages, bag book, blood red, sky dark. Here the relationship is showing that milk is in white color, but seeing the first option, books contain pages and book is kept in bag. Sky looks dark. Dark is not the color. Dark is dark, light. These are used to define the color. That like dark blue, light blue, like that. But blood is red in color. This is similar to milk is white in color. Therefore answer is option C. Friends, CrackU is providing 5 latest pattern CMAT mocks for only 299 rupees. Please do enroll for these mocks for better practice. Manasa is coded as OCPCUC, then how will Rajini be coded as? Let's see the logic behind this. M is coded as O, that is after M, according to the alphabetical series we get M, N, O. So M is coded as O and then A is coded as C. A, B, C, A is coded as C. So it is coding as alternate alphabet. So similarly Rajini will be coded as R, S, T, therefore will be T. A, B, C, it will be C. J, K, L, it will be L. I, J, K, it will be K. N, O, P, it will be P, I, J, K, it will be K. Therefore, the answer is TClKPK. What comes next? The series is 1, 5, 14 and 30. It is written like 1 plus 2 square is equals to 5, and this is written like 5 plus 3 square is equals to 14, and this as 14 plus 4 square, that is equals to 30. So, following this series, this will be written as 30 plus 5 square, that is 30 plus 25, that becomes 55. Therefore, answer is option B. How is this represented using the Venn diagram? Classroom, student and board. In a classroom, we have students and a board. These two are present inside the same domain, but they are not related to each other. So, the answer can be option A. That is, inside the domain of classroom, student and board are present. Moving on to the next question. Raju was standing at a Pani Puri stall facing to the north. While solving such questions, first we need to draw a small direction indicators like this. North, south, east and west. This is northeast and this is southeast. This is southwest and this is northwest. Raju was standing at a Pani Puri stall facing towards north. Raju was standing here, he was facing towards north. His friend Rani called him to tell her house address. She told him to turn right and walk 2 kilometers. He turned to his right and walked 2 kilometers, where he can find a bookstall here. From there, she told him to take left and walk 5 kilometers, where he can find a sweet shop. From here, he took his left. While walking this side, he will be facing towards east, and he took left, that is towards north, and he took 5 kilometers. Then from there, she asked him to take a right turn and walk 1 kilometer to come to her home. He is facing towards north here, and he was asked to take a right turn here and walk 1 kilometer to her home. This is her home. From his initial position, he is northeast. Therefore, answer is option C. Friends, CrackU is providing 5 latest pattern mocks for CMAT and TISNET. Please do visit our website to enroll them. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and comment and subscribe to our channel for more video updates. Thank you.